welcome back to another week, my weekly questions. So this week I came up with 3 questions, and they were, how can the education system change to support students more? How can I inspire my students and make them excited for their future? And how can I create an environment that allows the students to have dreams and to achieve those dreams? And so let's talk about the first one. For this one, I focused more on standardized testing. I think it'd be really good if we got rid of huge tests and made it smaller quizzes, just because we could track their growth. We could track where they are, and also it'd be less stressful. I know for me, I was in tennis, so I was involved in high school, so I was gone a lot, so I missed a lot of things, and it was very hard to keep up. So the second one is, how can I inspire my students and make them excited for their future? And I had some responses that he gave me this article that I read, and it had like 3 principles, and it was enhancing, principled, and visionary. So enhancing, creating an environment that allows my students to create relationships that encourage them to grow. Principled, providing a powerful role model of doing the right way, so being an example. And visionary, providing a clear picture of the future and being able to communicate that to them. And so the third one, how can I create an environment that will allow my students to have dreams and they'll want to achieve those dreams? One of my peers gave me a blog that I read, and it gave a few tips, and so 3 really stood out to me, and it was positive environment. And this whole semester I focused on having a positive environment and how can I create that. And those environments allow students to grow. And so the second point is teach students to focus on their dreams, to endure to the end. If we encourage them to just keep going, keep pursuing their dreams, they'll want to do it. And the third one, provide examples. Maybe talk about Walt Disney and Steve Jobs and, just big ones like that. And it will allow them to have fun and growth mindset. So thank you so much for tuning in. Yeah.